In this video, we are going to go through the required documents. The first form is the patient information form. We are going to go to box number 1 and complete patient details. Now that box number 1 is completed, you will see that box number 2 should already have the ordering provider's information. If the ordering provider's information is incorrect, please correct it. Now, depending on if the patient was in a motor vehicle accident or an accident at work, you will complete the corresponding portions. If the patient was in an accident at work, please complete box number 3, workers' compensation details. If the patient was in a motor vehicle accident and has an attorney or filed a claim through auto insurance, please complete boxes 4 and 5. If your patient has an attorney and filed a claim through auto insurance, please include both attorney details and insurance details. Now the patient information form is complete. Now we are going to go to the RX request. The RX request is what the ordering provider will complete and sign. At the top of the page, you will want to make sure you select the focal film distance. After that, we are going to go to box number 1, patient details. In box number 1, there is a spot for date of accident. Please make sure that the date of accident is filled out. We are unable to process a study without the date of accident. You will also select if this was a motor vehicle accident, workers' comp, or other. Once box number 1 is completed, we will move to box number 2. Box number 2 is where you will select if you're ordering a cervical or lumbar study. If you're ordering cervical, select cervical. If you're ordering lumbar, select lumbar. If you're ordering both cervical and lumbar, make sure to select both cervical and lumbar. You will also go through and select any boxes where you need help assessing or any ICD-10 codes. Once you are done with that, please make sure that the ordering provider signs at the bottom of the page in the box treating doctor signature. Without the ordering provider's signature on the RX request, we will not be able to process the study. Now we are going to the lien. The lien is what the patient will need to sign and date. This is authorizing us to perform the service. Without the patient's signature, we are unable to process any studies. If the patient is a minor, please make sure that the parent or legal guardian is signing on behalf of the patient. The last form is the direct pay consent form. The direct pay consent form is for those who choose to pay at the time of service. For those who choose to pay at the time of service, the patient will need to sign and date this consent form, as well as have the credit card information at the bottom of the page. If there is any further questions on how to fill out and complete the documents, please contact us at 877-508-9729.